Hey guys, it's Alan and Hamza here at Second Skin Audio. Just want to show you guys a real quick video of how to install our corks into our polyester panels. So what you see here is a full-size cork. For this 1/2 inch polyester panel, we want to cut it down into about this size. So we're gonna go from this to this. What I recommend first is to go ahead and pre-puncture a hole into the panel so it could be easier to screw in once you have the hot glue on it. Once you have that ready, go ahead and get your hot glue gun. Spread it on it. Now, as you can see, it's about 2.5 corkscrews. So you don't want to cut too deep. Once you have it covered, go ahead, and since your hole is already pre-cut, it'll just nicely slot in. And as you can see here, getting it through the back, there's no puncture wound, and it's nicely flat on the polyester panel, and that's it.